Hey guys, Ashley Hoffman from the Sunshine Veranda. Today we're going to learn how to do two things. We're going to learn how to properly cut an avocado, as well as save the seed so that you can try to grow some of your own. Had a couple different people message me and text me and request to do this, so here we are. So a couple things you'll need. First, for cutting the avocado, I have my trusted amazing IKEA bamboo cutting board, my favorite Cutco knife, and then you'll need a large tablespoon, and of course, avocado. Super simple. So what I'm going to do is, starting with the top very carefully, I'm going to just break the skin. Once the skin's broken, it's pretty easy to cut, and I'm going to do a horizontal line, trying to stay as even as possible so that when my two meet up again, voila, super easy. Save this for later. A little avocado flavor that I found from Marshalls, which is amazing. Later. All right, next, fun part. Carefully, going to just very gently pack the seed, give it a little twist. There you go. Now, before I actually plant these, you actually want to rinse it really, really good and let it kind of dry out a little bit before you plant it. So I'm just going to carefully rinse that off. Rinse it off and dry paper towel. Save this for just 2 minutes. All right. Now you have your avocado half. So I feel it's easiest when I start at the bottom and I just want to gently wedge the spoon in between the skin and the avocado itself. And with a little bit of pressure, I kind of push down along the skin and turn it. And there you have it. Pops out one nice big piece. There you go, avocado skin. Now, if you have a compost pile at home, these are good to throw on the compost. I always save these. I keep a little bowl by the door, and the boys take it as they head out for play on the backyard and swing set or fishing. They'll one of them will pick it up and go dump it in the compost. So there we go. That's how you properly cut an avocado. Next, for the fun part, let's plant it. Okay, so over here I have the essentials. So if you go back into my other videos, you'll see that I cut up some plastic bottles to reuse them for planters. This is the bottom part of a Gatorade bottle, kind of shallow, which is perfect, and then you don't have to waste the glass, and you're gonna be doing it for a few weeks. So you have your little container. You'll need 4 toothpicks. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you hold up the avocado, there's kind of a pointier end and a fatter end. The fatter end is where the avocado is going to actually sprout. So you want that fat end facing down into the water. Then you're going to take 4 toothpicks, and right at the middle of the avocado, you're going to place the 4 toothpicks. Go. That way, when you put it on the edge of your container, whether it's going to be a glass or recycled bottle like we did, then this little star. Then you will place it in your container, like so. I repurposed an old bottle, some water in it. And you want to put water in it just enough to cover, cover about 1/4 of an inch or so of the avocado seed. And there you have it. Now I crush up some eggshells and put them in the water. There you go. Now I change the water every 2 or 3 days just so it doesn't get all icky. Place it in a nice sunny spot over on the windowsill. There you have it. So this one is just a couple of weeks old, and it's starting to get a little bump already. Hopeful, because I love avocados. I love avocado toast. I eat them a couple days a week. So there you have it. Give us a like, give us a share, give us a comment, subscribe to our channel. We're going to be doing a lot more of these coming soon. And love to hear some of the projects that you're doing at home as well. So give us some comments below, and have a great day, have a blessed day, and see you next time.